Hi friends, it's Allie here from the Turtle Trunk, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little romaine lettuce leaf. If you're following along with the Pregnancy Progress Project, this is week 36 when baby is about the same size as romaine lettuce. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Now let's get started. For today's tutorial, you will need medium weight yarn in the colors green and white, a 4mm or G hook, scissors, and a yarn needle, and optional supplies include black crochet thread. We're going to start with our white yarn, and we're going to make a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So here's our chain of 25. Now we're going to half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3. Half double crochet in the third chain from the hook, and then we're going to work 1 half double crochet into each chain across. I'm coming up to the end of row 1. I have 1 chain left, and I'm going to start my last half double crochet as normal, but instead of doing my final pull through with the white, I'm going to drop my white yarn and grab my green yarn, and I'm going to change the color. So my white yarn is dropped and I have my green, so I'm just going to wrap the green around my hook and then do the final pull through of my half double crochet with my new color. So now picking up the green yarn, we're going to start on row 2. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn. Now working back the way we just came, we are going to work 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 triple crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and then we're going to repeat what we've done since the beginning all the way until we only have 3 stitches remaining. So I'm going to half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, triple crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and just keep repeating that until we only have 3 stitches remaining. So I only have 3 stitches remaining. So in the last 3 stitches, I'm going to work a half double crochet into the next one, a double crochet into the next one, and then now there's only 1 stitch remaining, and in that last stitch I'm going to work 4 triple crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see that kind of naturally turned, and now we're going to continue working on the other side. So we worked all the way up here, and now we're going to turn our piece clockwise, and we're going to continue working in the chains on this side. So starting into the first stitch, which would be the chain from the other side, so right there we are going to work 4 triple crochets again. So working into that first chain, work 4 triple crochets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to continue working down here, and what we're going to do is just the opposite of what we did on this side, so it's going to mirror each other. So into the next chain, we are going to work a double crochet, just 1 double crochet. Oops. Into the next stitch, we're going to work a half double crochet, and then a double crochet into the next stitch, and a triple crochet into the next. And then we're going to work a double crochet into the next, a half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, and then a triple crochet in the next. And we're going to keep repeating that until only 2 stitches remain. So 1 double crochet in the next, 1 half double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, then 1 triple crochet in the next. So I only have 2 stitches remaining. So in the second last stitch, we're going to work 1 double crochet, and then into the last stitch, we're going to work 1 half double crochet. So at the end of row 2, our total stitch count should now be 52. So for row 3, we are going to chain 2, turn our work, and we're going to work 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, a double crochet into the second stitch, and then 2 triple crochets into the third stitch. So that's 1, and then another into the same stitch. Then we're going to work a double crochet into the next stitch. Now we're going to repeat that 5 more times. So 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 triple crochets into the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. When you finish that last double crochet, now we're at the top of our leaf, and then in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, so in these next 4 stitches, we're going to work 2 triple crochets into each one. That's 1 and 2, oops, 2 in the first stitch, 1 and 2 in the second one, 1, 2 into the third, and 1, 2 into the fourth, and now we're back on the other side of our leaf. So in the next stitch, we are going to work 1 double crochet. Then we're going to work 2 triple crochets into the next stitch. a double crochet into the next stitch, and a half double crochet into the next stitch. And then we're going to repeat from the double crochet. So we're going to work a double crochet into the next stitch, 2 triple crochets into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and a half double crochet into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat for 4 more times. I just have 1 more stitch, so in that last stitch I'm going to work a half double crochet. So at the end of row 3, our total stitch count is at 68, and now we're all done. So to tie off, I'm just going to chain 1 and grab my scissors, cut off, leaving about 5 inches, just enough so that you can weave in your ends. With your hook, just pull that, and then we can also cut off our white yarn, again leaving about 5 inches or however much you need to weave your ends in. So I'm going to grab my yarn needle and just thread through my yarn and then just weave in your ends. And there we go, all my ends are weaved in. So here's our cute little romaine lettuce. So one of our optional supplies was our black crochet thread. So if you want to add a face on, you can use the thread for the eyes and the mouth. I wouldn't suggest using safety eyes for this one just because it is flat, so the ends of them will poke out. But you can use buttons or embroider on the face. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to leave mine as is though, and here we go. Thank you so much for following along, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you a part of the Turtle Trunk family. You can find this pattern and many more free patterns on my blog, whoshomemade.com, and be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and tag me in your photos so I can see your finished turtle trunk creations. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.